Article creation. Designing various articles in Art Xpress takes only some of your time. Let's get started with the size selection. Available page sizes can be seen and the desired one can be selected. Alternatively, you could set the size manually with size and DPI value. As you proceed with the size, here opens up the blank page waiting to get decorated with your designing idea. Ruler not just displays the page size, but it also helps to add some safe area guidelines on the page. Place the required guidelines that can guide you to keep the page contents inside the printable area. As here the visiting card is being designed, let's start designing with the title. Each title can have its own font type, size and style. Titles can be placed within the printing area by minding the guidelines. While aligning the titles, you could take the help of snipping guidelines. Those appear while moving objects on the page. To equalize the space between the titles, the vertical spacing equalizing tool is available. Image tab is a gateway to get images on canvas. Here select the image and drag and drop it on the page. Place the logo inside the printing area. Similarly, more details like address, website, etc. can be added through Title tab and aligned. A new page of the desired size can be added in this project. Once the new page is available, the designing could be initiated by adding any object like here the image is added. Get the important part of the image visible by zooming and panning with the mouse. To get the image color corrected, instant BCG and RGB can be managed without going to any other window. Images can have masking effects which can be rotated and flipped. Any unsuitable masking effect can be instantly removed. Now let's try creating a different look on the page. This image can be split into the desired rows and column count with desired spacing. As the image gets split, now each part is free to have its own appearance effect. Either apply an outline or any desired effect. Just right-click on the split part and choose the effect. Here a shape can be added on the page. Shapes are easy to add and manage. Simple shape fill and outline management, and when you think to send this shape behind the images, it's just a click away. Any image can be added at any point of page designing. While adding titles on the page, the background color can be added to the title. Now this title can be rotated depending on the effect you want to create. In addition to snipping guidelines, additional object-based alignment is available, where multiple titles can be aligned in a single click. This way, simply by adding objects on the page, designs can be created. Again, a new page is added in a different size. Backgrounds tab has some theme-based backgrounds that can be added depending on the designs you are creating. Even any solid color can be a background of the page. Once the image appears on the page, the image merging feature is available in the form of the layer mask. Just choose the desired brush from Layer Mask tab. Now simply roll the mouse over the unwanted part and get the image merged with the background. The page can be filled up with required objects like the logo, image, shape and title. New page addition is really easy. Instead of ready backgrounds and solid color, images can also be the background of the page. Now as the background is set, to get the design in the DVD top size, the DVD top mask readily available in Mask tab can be applied and the page can have the look of DVD top. DVD top can be designed by adding other required objects. On the new page which is added now, multiple images can be added at once. To do so, hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and select all of the images you want to insert. Once you select required images, use this Add Photos option to insert the images. All the images will be inserted. You can form a grid of these images without any manual alignment. Select all the images. Now from the Photo Grid option, define the rows and columns of the grid. You may also manage horizontal and vertical spacing between two images in a grid. After defining the grid parameters, create the grid with the help of Create option. The grid will be created. You may resize and move the grid on the pages to give the desired look. The grid can be broken and also two images can be merged by placing only one image using the merge option. Any shape of the desired effect can be added and placed behind the photo grid using the Arrange Objects tab. Similarly, any image can be added and placed on the design. Clip art can be added on the page. Clip arts can be transformed in 18 different shades and any shade can be used. For instant page designing, ready design templates can be used. Here on a new page, a ready visiting card suitable to the current visiting card theme is added. The dummy contents in the visiting card can be replaced with the actual contents using various tabs. This way, Tools and Art Xpress help you forming the design faster. Now let's save the project. Save the created project with Save button. Give it a name and set the path. To save the project with your used images, backgrounds, borders, masks and clip arts, you need to check this checkbox on. Your project is saved along with your used material as a backup. This concludes the Art Xpress article creation video. Thank you.